Hi, I'm John with WTI. Now, I want to introduce you to my new best friend in the kitchen. Now, this is a food dehydrator by Chefman, and it is amazing. I have been dehydrating everything in the house, from jerky to dog treats to apples and strawberries and bananas and papaya and mango. This thing is amazing. So far, it's been super easy to use. I really like how right on it gives you the temperature. So it goes up to 158 degrees. I put a thermometer in and it did hit just over 158. So it is very accurate. I love it because it's not too loud. So take a listen. So that's on high. That's on 158 degrees. It's not that loud at all. You don't really even notice it. It heats up very quickly. When I followed a recipe on the jerky, it did it in the exact time. It took about 5 to 6 hours when I cut it about 1/8 of an inch thick. So it seems like a very powerful machine. Fruit, I believe, because there's more moisture, takes a little bit longer. So some of these fruit, it took around 8 hours. It's very easy to use, very easy to stack. I was wondering how much I could actually fit. So in this case, I fit 3 bananas, 1 apple, 1 mango, and a whole bunch of papaya. When I made my jerky, it fit about 1.5 pounds. So this thing is awesome. Dried fruit and jerky can be very expensive, but now when you can make it in the comfort of your own home, this is a game changer, and I have been eating a lot of dried products. So I highly recommend this food dehydrator by Chefman. Again, I'm John with WTI, and that's my point of view.